Hi friends, it's Deanna Williston with Our Blooming Catholic Life. I'm back out here again, getting ready to put that SubPod into the flower bed. And I've got the flower bed down almost level to where it used to be. Just level with the top of the rails of the flower bed. So I need to get out my SubPod, assemble it, and move it around. That in the grow bed, I need to get them out, assemble them, move them around, see exactly where I want it to be so I know how to level and finish off that old compost bed. So if you remember, I actually left this out here last night in the rain because it was 60 degrees yesterday. I couldn't see the sense dragging this back outside and inside. And I'm gonna break down this cardboard anyway in the system, so I thought I'll just leave it outside. Oh, so it's been here underneath the landing up the stairs. I have watched, you can't see me now, let me put it on, let's here, let me put you down a little bit lower maybe. Give me a second. Get a little rock here. Put behind there, use as a stopper. Is that gonna hold it? I know you get to see my fabulous coveralls now. Whoops. Okay, maybe the sun's a little bit better that way too. So I'm gonna drag this out here. You can see my SubPod box is starting to fall apart from the way I was dragging it around, but that's actually not how it opens. It opens here in the front. See the one that kind of looks like dragon scales? You just pull on that, it opens. If you get your dog a bark box, it opens the same way. So it's a nice flat pack box. Probably gonna have to move you again in a second because here it goes. Okay, and so here it is. To say that this is a flat, can you see it? A flat pack project doesn't begin to describe it. It's just sitting here in a box. It's completely flat packed. So this is the amazing lid. Put this upside down. I mean, literally all the directions on composting are right here, so you can't mess it up. The feeding steps, feeding guide, like how many worms do you have, how much can you waste, can you add a week, items that you can add, yes, no, maybes. Then here's the rest of my kit. It's all just here piece by piece. This is the divider panel. Remember I just said how much you can feed depends on how high, what level of worms you have, and you're going to be able to tell that by seeing this little number here, 1, 2, 3. It's when the good compost is at level 1. We're going to come over here. We can add level 1. We can probably add 2 to 5 quarts max per week. So you can see all the pieces are just in here. It's kind of a snap together process. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this started. We'll see you later. Bye.